It's day 2 of the Kisan Sansad or Farmers Parliament that's being held in Jantar Mantar in Delhi under strict COVID guidelines and police presence. It is also just meters away from the monsoon session of Parliament. Now, Meher gets us the latest details of the protest today. Remember, just 200 farmers are allowed to congregate on any given day.
So we are here at the Kisan Sansad, just meters away from the actual Parliament, which is in monsoon session right now. They've broken for a few minutes to take a break. People are having tea, and there was lots of debate here just now. They're debating the APMC Bypass Act, which has been under contention for over 8 months now. So I'm here with Mr. Abhimanyu Kohat, who is one of the youngest people who was in the meetings with the government, the 11 meetings that have happened about these laws, which didn't lead to much. And now this is a new symbolic protest going on very close to Parliament. So, sir, what is actually happening here? You are conducting your own sort of Parliament.
You see, the Parliament is not doing its duty. They are not taking their own responsibility. From last 7 years, this Modi government is taking all the anti-farmer, anti-youth decisions. So now it's a people's duty to take care of these issues and to tell the people who are sitting inside Parliament that we are the real owner of this nation. And we are ordering you to repeal these farm laws and to make MSP guarantee law. We are here to remember them that in 2011, when Mr. Modi was Chief Minister of Gujarat and he was a chairman of Consumer Affairs Committee, he wrote a letter, a report to then Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh, and in the point number B3 of that report, he mentioned that there must be a MSP guarantee law for the farmers of the nation. 10 years after that, right now we are in 2021, we are also demanding the same thing. We are also saying that we need MSP guarantee law. But now the same Prime Minister who was then Chief Minister is saying that we don't have adequate budget for that. What we are saying here is that today we discuss this MSP guarantee law. For MSP guarantee law, we only need 2 lakh crore rupees per year. 2 lakh crore rupees per year will be more than enough. But government is saying that they don't have adequate budget. Every year we spend 90,000 crore rupees for import of palm oil. Why we are importing so much palm oil? Because Adani is the biggest importer of palm oil, and on every liter of palm oil he earns a dalali of 10 to 12 rupees. So for the benefit of Adanis and Ambanis, this government is doing all the same thing. This government is taking anti-farmer decision. So this is a historical moment right now, because the real owner, the farmers, the youth, all the people, the real people are the owner of this nation, and we are here to order them, the person who are sitting inside, that you have to do this and this. That when the Parliament, they don't take the responsibility, then real Parliament will be organized on the roads. So the real Parliament of our country is being organized here. Another thing is that sometimes the BJP RSS people says that these farmers don't know anything, they don't have knowledge regarding these laws. But you can see a common farmer here who is sitting, he is asking question on these 3 laws and on the issue of MSP guarantee.
This may look symbolic, but it's something that they've been trying to show for the past 8 months. Their voice, their discussions with the government, a lot of it so far hasn't led to much. And now they are saying the real Parliament, the real people that these laws will be affected by, they are now holding Parliament here. And they are trying to tell the people who are sitting in Parliament in the monsoon session not far away that their voices also need to be heard, and that they know enough to have an important opinion on this. With Sushil Rathi, Meher Pandey for NDTV.